Then I'm in bed now, good. Good me then I'm in bed. I watch me show. And me hear, you hear one little voice. I call me. One little voice I call me. And I say, my pause the show. Come I say, who could I call me? In the night. Hi guys. Alright, so welcome back to the channel, by the way. Thank you guys for your usual support. Appreciate it. Today's video is kind of late, but I still do it. I have my encounter a little thing. So I try potty train meal. So remember I did this before, right? I may Google some stuff, man. I say, alright then. What we can do. And I think yesterday when we pick him up from daycare, them say him actually poo in potty, ask him to bathroom and stuff. But I realize that we tell us him want pee, but when him want poo him no. Him talk, but him talk when him already do it. And if him even tell her before him do it, when him put him on the potty, him don't use it. Right? And sometimes we put it on back in use it. So I try potty train him and then we have like hiccup and then people and something for just make it when they're home, just keep him in something there. Him breathe alone. Don't be try that today. See me have to go to wall of my carpet. Really should up the wall of my carpet. Really go up the wall of my carpet. Not up the wall of my carpet, man. So I say, alright, I'm going to try again, and pee up himself first. But so Emilio, remember when he wants to pee, you let mommy know, right? So alright, when I change him and get that over with, I say, alright then, I'm going to wait till half hour, because I just give him one biscuit to eat with some juice. So I say, alright, I'm going to wait half hour, and then I put him on him potty. Make him pee. So I say, alright, Emilio, ease up, I go for your potty. By the time I go for the party and come back, I smell something stinky. So when I look at it, I say, oh, like carpet. Anyways, I have one story time to tell you. I have one story time to tell you right now. I say, I decide, how about this? I think we're going to do that thing. But that done, man. That can't do nothing. But anyways, I have one story time to tell you. Yeah. I'm going to say, let me tell my mother. Let me go college. Let me go college. Story time. Tell you. I say, alright then. Alright, so I went to college in a different parish. Right? Parish where I've never been before, whenever go there so before, no time, yeah? Just get up and where I look college, I was looking university. I applied for some, well, whenever I was thinking of going to, irregular you take whatever. But then, and I think this is why now, I don't really plan for things, because my sister, when I plan, it not really work out to how me want it. So I think this is one of the major events where, but just stop plan things and just let things fall into place. Right? Over time. Alright, so went to college in a different parish. So when you're going on a different parish, you have to think there. You have to board and all of them little something there. So take up myself than college Clarendon. Border of Clarendon and Manchester. Right? One little town called Spalding. Right? So, took up myself, gone to Spalding, a school. At first I was boarding on campus. I was boarding with the nurses, but that was on another campus, not the main campus that I was actually doing my course on. So end up boarding the nurse them. You know, so over time you meet friends now, and I know me alone in my class aboard. So I end up move from the campus and go closer to where I was actually studying, right? And get somewhere to live. They didn't have any rooms available on that campus. Well, as in, they don't board on the main campus. They board, you know, people make them houses and you board there. So anyways, remember, I'd me already do 1 year. Already do 1 year at the campus. Lived there. We have some minor issues, but it was fun. Anyways, my friend said, alright then, meet my friend. Friend come from St. Anne. Someone said, alright. You know, make we move, because apart me did make all she come at the campus come board too. And then we said no, sir, instead of we are pay this whole heap of fare and so much houses rent right up at the main campus. Might as well, you know, we go up there, go find somewhere up there, go board. Easier for we, less money, and you know, all of them traversing back and forth. So we say alright then. So anyhow, move, met a teacher. The person she was actually teaching at the campus, this high school. She was a teacher at the high school, right? So yeah, I said, alright then, you know, proper people them, good people them, yeah, you live with. Tell my mother and parents agree, cause a good people, cause I say teachers them, and you know, she's a teacher, she had 2 kids and whatever. So it was a good look, right? Moving in. Alright, me and my friend moving, good. Everything going good. It was like we live with them in the house, right? So it's not like next parts of the house we rent or whatever. We live in the house with them. Everything was going good. We had no issues. Come we go school, and I like say them bother where as much as we in the house. And a better way we can, you know, we kind of start live like a little family now, because you get used to and something, but still have little boundaries and them little things there, right? So me did there know sitting there, living now, go to school, whatever, everybody friendly and you know talk and whatever. So you know we go home on a weekend. Like every other weekend or so, we go home and things like that. My friend live at St. Anne, so she kind of closer than me. We have to come all the way at St. Catherine, right? So one day now, tell us everything was going good. You know, we had no problem with nobody. Kids were fine, whatever. The missus, she was good and fine. The husband, he was good as well, until I think things became a little bit too familiar and friendly. One day, me the home, me never go home the weekend, because they say you get comfortable not now, you know. The home one weekend, my friend gone home. She happened that she went home. Me never really go home. Me stay there for the weekend. Right? Did I want me to tell us, guys, if me did know, me just would have got me yard. You understand what I mean? would have gone me yard. If there were signs and anything like that, would have gone me yard. Would have stay there. So, anyways, friend gone home, me alone and the family there. People them there. And decide say, you know, so now they are college. They one weekend, yes, me sit down up, watch movie from my laptop. We have Wi-Fi, watch movies so till me ready for go back for go sleep. Cause I'm alone today. I don't really for do. So anyways, to the people, one night me did it with their home. Friend gone home. Me here. This was like probably like about 10 o'clock. Them later was it 10 after 10, about 11, thereabout. Lay down in my bed and watch me light off. Adjust my laptop a play, right? So you can see it on because the house dark. Everybody supposedly to go to bed. So yeah, bro, lean brother do. So then I'm in bed now, good. Good me then I'm in bed I watch me show. And me hear, you know, you hear one little voice, I call me. One little voice, I call me. And I say, you know, my pause the show. And I say, you know, who could I call me? In the night. So, you know, you're curious because you say you live with people, so you probably have something emergency or, you know what I mean? So the person take time faintly I call me, my name. So I get up and I open my door because I bolt my door, I lock it from inside. So I get up, hear the person call me faintly. You know, Karro. You know? So you know you say probably an emergency and them call me. So I get up, open my door. When I open my door, and the husband there at my door. A settee was there, a small settee did in our living room, and it there close to my door, so you know you can sit down in it and get there close to me. So him sit down in that and I call me. You know. So I get up and I say, yeah. And I go ask me if me can come out. If me can come out contact. So I say, come out for what? He said, come out for what? In a middle night? So anyways, they up and lock back my door. We up and lock back my door. Come here, so already hell this year now, we're not this night you know. So me start planning me. I say something where I get scared. When I get scared, me lock my door. I just go in back, lock the door, put my suitcase then back at the door and something, and turn off the laptop. Because he's still out there calling her. So me get friend, I just lock off the laptop. The time I not sleep, I just lay down in there. Because I say, you try sitting, you know, man. I'm ready for him. And I ball out, so wife and pit everybody go get up. So me sitting there, block up my door and lock off the laptop and go back, go lay down in my bed. Right? First weekend, you know, me decide say me not go me yard. Me attend a school. Cause I say it's never happened before, you know. See no signs where nobody want do nothing to you. You understand? So I stay. And the one like stay, me stay at this happen. So I say, you know what? So anyway, when I lock off the light, get up the next morning, I don't know when they think or when they go dream about and come the next morning and start get friendly. I know them really like them, you know, like you my big friend, like you want, you know, touch you when and I laugh and I do all of them foolishness they see. My mind was all feel me more loud. So I start brace him up. Start racing because I start talk loud because I keep no secret. In no way. So me start talk loud, making sister listen. Me know in way you know, Bridging. Me know in way you know. So when my friend come back, me tell my friend, and my friend say lie. She couldn't believe because that metal said there was no sign or no, and you know when he start making little jokes them now, him wife. You know she laugh too. I don't know if it's something when you usually do because they have persons live with them before. So now we are first person who come live. But the person they never live in, the girls they never live in the house. Them did have a separate house on the same property where them rent. But in some don't know if it's something will happen before. But she know she would have just laugh when they making silly jokes them and something. Should I laugh it off and something. The time is a serious sitting, you know. You see, when me get uncomfortable, when me usually go wash, like wash the weekend in the garage, wash my clothes and something, cook on them something, me stop them something. I can't wear my dirty clothes, go wash them. And if they can't wash, me wait until my friend there, me wash them. And they say reach. And you know, me never tell her. You know me do, because the next time when we move, it was coming close. School was coming to an end, close. So me just we did them, and by the time we go back, as me never move, go back for the next semester. When we go back, then move. So we move like a couple houses down. So I never know for far. They move a couple houses down and we move with them. Right? But when we go back now, we get to realize say master man no did it no more. I just we and the wife and the kids them. Master man have to move up. I don't know what transpired over the weekend, over the holiday. But when we go back, Mr. Man no did it. You know, would you happy? Come here, say what kind of I say you say what kind of crisis is somebody they are come here, we didn't know if you tell Dimple. But yeah, you see me, you know, my advice to people is when I send a picnic at college, don't make them live with nobody, you see. Don't make them live with nobody, make them alone live. Don't make them live with nobody, yeah, and nobody, not trust nobody with your picnic. Yeah, nobody, not trust them with your picnic. They can picnic and go live on dorm, or if they can get a house for themselves, you do that. Don't make a child go live with no bone or no damn family. Because them in a certain profession, you trust them blindly. You know them way. When we go back in Ghana, I don't know what happened with them, but them divorce and same thing on me. Sitting there in the process of getting a divorce and something. So I don't know what did happen, but me I tell you say, me the glad we did start live happy now after that. Everything gone back to normal. But if she find out that Aaron did a gear bone or you know all of them same thing there with the community. But if you did turn police in our community with that woman. So we start live good after and left still. But then here comes the next man. Start have one man now. First we did think it was very innocent in the sense that it was just the cable man. Cable man, yeah. We did think I just the cable man. Yeah? Cause the man come when he come, he was the cable man. He come to fix the cable. The internet was a flow person. At the time it was Lime. Yeah. At the time it was Lime. Yeah. So one of them come and we did think they know them just a meet, but apparently they weren't just meeting. Why we did think them just a meeter because a man come and I look for my friend. Right in front of the woman, you know. I look my friend, you know, and she laugh and you know something I say, alright, cool. You know? And we are telling him, you know, basically we're not interested, but we just laugh because all of we out there laugh and chat and so. So we didn't really take it serious, but in this serious, I look out for real. And what we find out now, so that one day we come in and when we, in the morning when we get up, a man we see in our house. And then she has said her pitney then come use all for the bathroom and them and now you know say for pitney use your bathroom baby. No baby but you know primary school pitney use your bathroom and nothing nice that. That can't nice. If then dirty up the bathroom, left mess in her bathroom and then they said because she have a man in her there in her place and she don't want the kids then no. So the kids then can't use her bathroom because she tell them to use our bathroom. And then after, when we get to see man, you know, see a man, I look my friend out there, cable man. You mean no kakapa? You mean no, but and all she make me know say man, because I didn't realize say I see a man. And she say yes, girl, I man. And to be honest then, the man they turn up out this look my friend in front of you. And Yanni did that. And you not laughing, so like say, I don't know. Yeah. Then push come to shove, we say we're not comfortable with this man coming in our house and all that. I say we're not comfortable with that. So we say when it start, you know, feel a little bit funny when all of it start. Then after, she gonna make her nephew move in. When her nephew move in now and start use our bathroom now as a male, remember, we are not family, you know. Remember, we ain't no family. I rent, we are pay rent, fee space. So we have our own, the agreement was we have our own bathroom, you have your bathroom and your family use the bathroom. And we alone supposed to use our bathroom, right? Nephew come in when we realized it was 2 doors, one to our room and one to the passage, right? So we noticed say the passage door start keep open, in which the passage door not supposed to keep open because that's our private bathroom. Nobody not supposed to come in pan way and whatever. Nephew start use bathroom with we get uncomfortable because you know say man shed ear like puss and dog. So when you start going to know ear in a bathroom, bathroom, you know like how man keep bathroom or so and him not help clean the bathroom, so would I clean the bathroom like every weekend, would I clean the bathroom, wash it, wipe and whatever. Him not contribute because she making go home every weekend. So him not wash bathroom, so him just basically come to a clean space and just a use. So we start talk about it and make sure you know say we're not comfortable with that and that was not the agreement and whatever. If my nephew is supposed to use your bathroom, you're supposed to use our bathroom. You know, people start showing little attitude and all of this thing. Someone say, you see what now? You see, before me and you go catch up in your house where you pay your mortgage for as much as me I pay rent. Might as well we find somewhere go. So me and my friend, we take this, we break. Take a break. I think I did visit a family member in a St. Anne at the time. And then my mother say, give me the permission for go to my friend's house and you know stay a couple days and then we go Spalding, go look somewhere to live. So we go and we find one house where best college student live. So we get our own, we basically get a little house to ourselves on a compound, a little house with 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom and 1 kitchen. So you know say if then we get 2 other persons to stay with you. But at the time I did we alone. But then after a while we did get somebody to stay. But they never bad. And I did some finish out my college life. May I say mercy man. People, parents, anybody well listen to this video, you know watch the video, don't make no picnic. No matter how grown them be. Once them in now no care and uno send them go university college, but then go and go board on campus with them fellow schoolmates. Things are gonna happen, you know, things will happen. But to me, it better than you gonna live in a somebody house, you trust if somebody and then them man or them woman start fraternize with them with your picnic and make your picnic uncomfortable. Them do something they are nice. And I that they reach me. I was kind of moko them in this year. Mercy. A big moko ya, you know. My God. But them have to dash them man. Big moko. Don't make a picnic and nobody yard. Don't make nobody chicken and play nice when you not just meet them. No. Because they're not good. But now ask, I tell you. You can't find my brush. I don't know where my brush is. I don't know where it is. But that the bag of gun dash your man. That can't live so. We can't live so. Guys, may I tell you now. College did nice enough for me. I'm not lie. College did nice for me, man. I did enjoy college. Enjoy. Yeah. I'm a friend. We do road car just 2 away. And 2 away near nobody. Hey, we never have a soul in a college. Just be myself. So we did, you know. Yeah. And I always have a birthday party for close off we year. Yeah, my birthday always close off the school year. So I always have one little party in our room. Yeah, and our schoolmate then come, classmate then come. And we something there, we have wine. But I always have wine and them something there, yeah. I always have wine and juice, and then you know, so you have all of your food stuff them where your parents give, you have all of them they were not done. So you cook them because you say you not carry them back home. So we are cook out chicken, we are baked chicken, we are fried chicken, we are cook rice, so we are cook out the whole of our food. Cook out the whole of our food. That we do. So we have party. My birthday party. Always lock out the school. I tell you say no brother. Some things. When I tell you say people say me the one bad, I could have bad. But you see when badness in your DNA, then badness in your DNA, how that happen. That's true, I just need to make feel bad. May I tell you, and then I like say all of these things that I do my parents know, my mother know. But I not do nothing bad. Not do a thing bad. At my party I go cook and eat. My mother come look for me when she ready when me there at college. She and Chulo come look for me. They love the excitement, may I tell you, man. They want to make people clock. Yeah, I'm going to come out good. Come out good. Parents are proud of me. I'm going bad for myself. I'm going bad. What is that? Right, you don't know, this is a foolish mess I do, people. Car facts, well, on So, I don't remember. My God. My God, that's why. God, man. I'm gonna forget my company now. I'm gonna make up and pretty up for my husband. You know, good people. Put your few people in. Boy, pick me. When him come, him say, ah, my wife looks so nice. Talk it short. What God see and love. Huh? Mm. But college life did nice, man. They couldn't pick the board. But then go see what life brings here. Don't afraid. Don't afraid to make a child go bored out. Mm-hmm. Experience out there. Yes, time different now and time more serious. But trust me, the experience is there to make them know how to tackle certain things that might creep up on them. True, reality, man. Really something. So if they want the opportunity to go, if they don't want to go, you don't force them. But if they want to go, make them go on. They want to go, make them go on, man. College life is nice in my time. Yeah. Far make me go live, you know. Far me go live from my yard. Mm. I go when we want and then I make whole heap of friends. I'm very friendly. So I did make whole heap of friends. Already farmer them. So when me come home, when me come home I sit in the time in a weekend time, you know, me I come with thyme, scallion, yam, every God almighty, because my friend who will like farmer them up there. Cause when me I come back, me now know my parents I feel buy grown provision when me live. So when me I come here, I tell you guys, yam, thyme, scallion, everything me I come with, friend them to rotted. Ah, friend them and then turn big friend. Yeah. Brother, look at him, I need to cut makeup history, makeup artistry. Figure do, feel life, they are living. Look at him. Remember that go in there, go trouble. Because me I tell you now what going on, so this don't look safe. I stuck this stuck people, no see say stuck is stuck. Oh no see say nothing now come up on the brush. But yeah. Yeah man. Maybe they make everybody know me. It's like really nice man. We all meet man where he sell a movie. He sell a movie, you know when people used to sell a movie on CD? Man sell a movie and he give if you go watch and we carry back go give you. And then give you some more, right? It's all sitting on my friend here saying we got the knows. We turn out good to a girl, we turn out good, we not gone bad. We make the parents proud. What's all sitting what we do? All when we ready we gonna beach to Rati. And take past the school gate Ghana beach to Jesus up at heaven. Take past the school gate Ghana beach. You ever see nothing like that? Take past gone. Now what thing out with? I don't know what I want to say now. Wow, this is something I think so yeah. This make me look like bird. I look ready for road. But anyway, people, we're going to clean out because we're done with makeup. My makeup done. We're going to go. We're going to close out the video right here. So, I have more story can tell you. So, I'm tell you more in our next video. But yeah, remember guys, don't trust no people to believe in nobody. Most people won't know you. Yeah? Have a good day. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Like up the video. Hope you enjoy the story and learn something from it. Alright guys, love you. Makeup look nice. I can't go now.